Have you ever heard an unexpected crackle or buzz coming from your wall, making you wonder what is going on behind the scenes? It can be a little unsettling to hear strange noises from your home's electrical system. A crackling sound coming from an electrical outlet is a serious warning sign that typically indicates an active and potentially dangerous electrical problem. This sound is often caused by an electrical arc, which is a discharge of electricity that jumps through the air between two conductors, and it needs immediate attention to prevent hazards. The primary reason you hear a crackling sound is usually due to faulty wiring or an overloaded circuit. Loose connections behind the outlet can cause the flow of electricity to be inconsistent, leading to small sparks and arcs. Similarly, if you have too many high-power devices plugged into one circuit, it can draw more electricity than the wiring can safely handle, generating excessive heat and stress on the connections. This overheating can melt wire insulation, creating opportunities for dangerous electrical arcing. If you ever hear a crackling sound from an outlet, the most important first step is to immediately unplug any devices from that outlet. Next, locate your home's main electrical panel and turn off the circuit breaker that controls that specific outlet. Never try to investigate or fix an electrical issue yourself unless you are a qualified electrician. Once the power is off, you should call a certified professional electrician to diagnose and safely resolve the issue. Understanding the mechanics behind electrical arcing can help emphasize the importance of swift action. Electrical arcing is a sustained electrical discharge, and it generates intense heat, often reaching temperatures high enough to ignite nearby flammable materials such as insulation, wood, or dust. This is why a crackling sound is not just a nuisance but a serious fire hazard that requires immediate expert intervention. Another potential issue could be moisture intrusion, which can corrode wires and create electrical pathways that cause arcing. Prioritizing safety and calling a professional promptly when you hear a crackling sound from an outlet will protect your home and everyone in it. Taking quick action to power down the circuit and involve an expert ensures that any underlying electrical fault is identified and corrected, giving you complete peace of mind.